Yeah, 9 cards. Sound like a broken record, I think, every time I open these, because I always talk about how I like the style, even though I never seem to get anything good. World Series, Game 4, 2023, Texas, Arizona. Jose Barrios, JD Martinez, Seth Lugo, Quinn Priester, American League and NL MVPs, Miguel Cabrera and Andrew McCutchen, JT Real Muto. Let me get something turned around here. 23 highlights. Got a 400th home run from Stanton, Giancarlo Stanton. And Prelander Berrara.
Would it worth anything?
So let me know if that was worth anything. I love Gizmo Duck. Bye-bye.